Woo! Hey! Yeah! That's my tune. Rah, rah.
We're going to be doing the white noise, was it white noise headphone challenge. We both sing, so this is going to be interesting of how it turns out. We're going to sing some Christmassy songs as well because it's nearly Christmas.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just, you know, listen, life's about taking risks, and if you don't take a risk, you won't find out who you are, really. So just take a risk, man. Hope for the best.
Take that risk, man.
Yeah.
Only if it benefits you. Take the risk if it benefits you.
With God.
With God.
Amen.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. So, who's singing first? Me?
Yeah.
Why am I singing first?
Because you're the lady. I was
scared. My life will never be the same. Cause girl, you came and changed the way I walk, the way I talk. I cannot explain the things I do for you. That's the wrong lyric. It's true. It's there with me. It's there learning. Whoa, you feels like right.
That's my favorite song. Share the lyrics.
You rock my world, you know you did.
Hey.
And everything I own I give. And every step I do to fight the what got you about
I'm not going. Even though the rough times are showing. There's just no way, there's no way. Turn down the music, yeah, scream and shout. You can say what you want, I'm not walking out. Time will bring you will and invite you out. Yo, I can't hear myself. Yo, so what?
Said I'm so sick of love songs. So sad and slow.
So come on.
But why can't I turn off the radio? Was it good?
Yeah. Ooh. What? This yips. Oh. Can't wait to taste your skin. Baby. These eyes.
Okay.
Wait to see yours. I don't know the lyrics. Oh, baby. Just let I take it down a little bit.
Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yay.
Pampana, 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 hey, pampa. I don't know lyrics to this. What kind of for song? You are my red earth. You didn't know the of you and more. You don't have to say what you know.
What you know.
Ash Beck for Ashy Knees. You never see it coming 'cause you're blinded from the start. You're the one for me, and for everyone to see, my baby. Yeah. Listen, I don't know about you, but I know about us, and it's the only way we know how to. My boo.
And then when argue, it's alright. And then alright, baby, you will always be my.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Hey!
I'm actually dead right now.
Hey!
You meant to sing the song, not dance.
Our God is an awesome God from heaven above. It comes to gospel. when it comes to gospel, guys.
Go throw it down.
Woo! Woo! Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Please.
You see?
What?
Do you know Christmas songs?
Don't want a lot for Christmas.
Yes, sir.
There is just one thing
Break it down, baby.
need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
But what you want? What you want?
I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know.
'Cause what?
Make my wish come true.
That's it.
I want for Christmas.
You actually sound like
you. Hey. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da.
Listen. Listen. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheer, and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, shine about you. This Christmas.
La 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 love. If he only knew what he does to me, my man, my baby. So
Hey.
I'm so in la 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 love. How I love him for his generosity, my man, my baby.
Hey, hey. Skadadoo, skadadoo, skadadoo. Snap your fingers through the snow.
You can do it all
Lazy,
by
lazy.
yourself.
Maybe, girl, let me tell your name, let me cocktail, let me buy you a drink. It's T-Pain, T-Pain. Pain, you know me. Satan. Whoa.
Pressure. Okay.
This is so tough.
God.
So my name is Owen Chaponda. This is my blog today.
Bitch, what? I'm really trying to think of a song now.
I can drink this water, right?
It's focusing on you, but it's not focusing on me.
Focus on me.
Focus on me.
Focus on me.
Focus on me.
Yeah.
Buy you a drink.
Oh, try again.
Said I'ma buy you a drink.
Oh, Yo, hold up.
Said I'ma buy you a drink.
Oh, that was like a major.
That was there.
Like a little minor major. Bye, guys.